Today I'm going to show you how to use the Google app, the Google add-on app, Flubaroo, to grade your Google Forms for you and to automatically send the feedback to the people who took the Google form or the test, if that's. So the first thing you have to do is go to flubaroo.com, click on the Try It Now, and then walk through these steps here to download it or to add it into your Google Drive. I've already done that, so I'm going to skip on to my drive. I'm going to go into and show you how to create this. So you go into Create, Form, and for now I'm going to turn off those requirements. And you're going to create this form the same way that you would any other time, making sure that you do the same things up here with, do you want to make it only for Dublin City school students? Do you want to shuffle the order of the question, and etc. So question one, I'm going to have, I always use paragraph text just in case somebody's name is really long. Now, I know that right now I probably have some people thinking, well, why do you need to put that in there? Because you can select that. You can, you're right. I'll explain why you need this question in there a little bit later. So, okay, so now we are done. I'm going to title my form. And now I'm going to hit View Live Form, and I'm going to take the test. I'm going to put key here because this is what I'm going to use as my answer key. So you have to make sure you take your time to get the questions right. All right, and there we go. Now I'm going to close all these. I'm going to go back into my drive, and we've got the responses here. All right, so nothing's changed here. This is still good. Now, I know from doing this multiple times that in order for you to get the Flubaroo to put in the answer key, you need to have at least two responses. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. You need to have at least two responses in here. So I'm just going to take this again. I'm going to make up a name. And put in a different email address, and I don't submit. All right, so now I'm going to close that, close this. All right, now from here, all I did was went back and clicked on the tutorials. Waiting for it to load. All right, now I click add-ons. Flubaroo, enable Flubaroo on this sheet. Okay, now come back in. I'm going to click grade assignment. Now you need to set it up to make sure you want the points here. I don't want to make a point for putting your name in because I'm just using that to identify you. So continue. Now, this is the reason why I put my name as key the first time. That way it was easy for me to find which one is the answer key, and this is what will be used to determine if the future submissions are accurate. So now make sure that you click View Grades here, and it will create this grade tab. So you still have the student submission tab, which is what you're used to, and then the grade tab with everything here. All right, now I'm going to go back to Flubaroo, and I'm going to go into the advanced settings, and I'm going to enable auto grade. Now, I did the grading first on purpose. I suggest doing that first, the way that I showed you, and then going back in and turning on the auto grade. And it's going to send you through this. It's going to send you through the same things here, but going through these steps doesn't take too long. So I don't think it's too much of an issue. And I'm going to make sure I click here to include the answer key. So when students receive the answers back, they know what the correct answer was. And this is why I had you put in the question, what is your school email? Because if you don't put that in, Flubaroo isn't able to email the grades to the people who take it. It does not pull the email addresses from within unless it's put like that. All right, so now we've got this here. Something had occurred to me earlier where I was doing this and I couldn't get it to work quite right. And I think maybe what it was is I accidentally hit that X and I think I turned it off. So don't turn that off. Don't hit that X. Just kind of leave that there. So now I'm going to close this. I'm going to open up the tutorial. I'm going to send the form to my other email address, which is why I didn't require the Dublin password or the Dublin City School login earlier. So I'm going to open up that other email. Here it is. I'm going to get one question right, one wrong. Submit. Okay. And then so your response has been recorded. Click here. And the grade was received back to me. This is what I get, letting me know, all right, 1 plus 1. Your answer was 2. It was correct. 2 plus 2, your answer was 3. The correct answer was 4. Incorrect, color-coded, real nice, real pretty. And now I'll go back to the response form so you can see what it looks like here. So once again, the student submissions is just the normal thing that you have. You can see the 3 people who have responded. I can click grades, and I can see who has, I can see the grades here. For high school teachers, middle school teachers, I would probably put a question in like, what class period are you? And then you could sort it that way and help you group all them together to make life easier to let you know how to find them. Have any questions? Shoot me an email, Armstrong_Travis, Dublin Schools, teach at Davis, or send something to me on Twitter at DMS Armstrong. Talk to you soon.